All right, well, thank you everybody for being here again. Let's start talking about the wikis in Blackboard. Um, so this is the definition that I found in Blackboard for the wikis. The wikis allows course members to contribute and modify one or more pages of courses related material, providing a means of sharing and collaboration. Of course, you might find some other definitions. This is the one that I found on the Blackboard site. Now, quickly, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up a wiki. For the sake of this demonstration, I picked the assignment content area, but you can also, of course, pick any other content area, such as the course documents. You can create another one, or for a more advanced, you can go ahead and create from here a tool link, linking directly to the wikis. So once you click on the assignments, on the tool links on the top, go ahead and create wikis. So once you do that, you'll get to the create wiki page right here. And because I don't have any wiki in this page, this site here is completely empty. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create new wiki, and I will be taken to the create wiki page. Now what I would do is go ahead and select the name of the wiki. In this case, working with wikis, that's the name, and submit. Then the next thing is set up the date availability and the availability of the wiki. So I want this to be available, and I'm leaving blank the date restrictions. I don't want to put any restrictions on that. The next step is the wiki participation. How do I want this to be? Student access. Do I want close to editing, which basically means do you want the students to not be able to edit the posting, or open to editing? And do you want the students to be able to post comments? I would leave that to the default. I want to open for editing for the students so they can make changes, and I also want this to be open to commenting. Then the wiki settings. Do I want the wiki to be in the grade center or not? So if you want this to be graded, make sure you select the grade and then the points possible. Please make sure that once you do this, this will be showing in the grade center, and you cannot change it back to non-grading. Once I create the wiki, now it will become here. It will become available right here, and I can choose it. Of course, if you have multiple wikis, you will see them all in this list over here. You'll see the list of all the wikis. But since I only have one, that's the one I will pick. And now I'll just have to put the information for the wiki. Do I want that's the name of the wiki by default, and do I want the date availability? Remember, this is a link to the wiki that I'm creating. And now once I do this, now the wiki is available for everybody to see, and all the students can start working on that. When I click on this link, this will take me to the wiki, and because I have no information yet put in there, this is what I will see. So I will have to start typing information. You will see this at the top where it says no pages exist for this wiki, please create the home page. So that would be the first step when you first get in. So I just put the title of the new page, and in this field here you will put the information for the home page. Click submit, and the wiki will start for everybody in the course. So now what do we do with the wiki? We get more done together. So get the best people on the right task, which produce a better overall results by letting everybody contribute. That's one of the advantages of using the wiki. Break down the information in groups or individual. That's one of the things that you can do. The next advantage of using the wiki is anyone can contribute. So anybody can put content online quickly and securely. Once a student logs into the wiki, they just click edit, and they can start typing, and they can create their own pages for the wiki. The next advantage, the wiki connects people and content. So if you bring the right people into the work and the discussion taking place, you can share the content in seconds and mention teammates in any page. Everybody will be sharing their knowledge. Which brings me to the next one, which is capture the knowledge. The wiki allows you to capture the knowledge of all the students, the professor, or anybody participating in it. You can engage everybody and encourage the collaboration with quick comments and information about a topic. Now, this would be a good use for the wiki. This is something I found on the internet, and I thought that it made absolute sense. The wiki would be using I would say in complementing the forums and the blogs. The forum would be a place where that allows users to ask questions and express frustration. Then the wiki allows you to document the knowledge and answers raised in the forum threads. Then the blog will allow you to share news from the wiki, such as recent updates. I think this will actually make a good use of the wiki, and to me it made sense to use it that way. And that I would like to recognize Dr. Kevin Finn is the director of the French Basic Language Program, who uses it in his course. And I want to recognize Kitam and the nursing school, because I know that they use it in many of the courses that they have available. Now, do you have any questions about the wikis? Yes, Kitam, go ahead.
Okay, hello everyone, and thank you, Rick, for bringing this topic, the wiki. And I think I discussed this before with you, the way we use it in the School of Nursing, where they divide the student into groups, and each group work in different projects. But I have like one challenge, like last term, that we worked with the wiki, and the faculty, she wanted in the end just to open the wiki also, like for the rest of the class, just to comment. And I tried to explore this myself, and I wasn't able to find a way that the rest of the class, not only the group member, that will be able to view and comment in individual in a specific group. I don't know if that's something we can bring it, to Blackboard.
Yes, I can show you how you can do that with groups. The wiki for the group is created differently, because you have to make the group available to the students, and they have to click in the group. Once they click in the group, all the tools available for that group will be there. It's not you create a wiki and then you click on that and you'll have.
And that,
if you want the wiki to be accessible to a group, you'll have to make the link to the group available to the students.
Yeah, I'm aware of this, and we did the groups, and once you create the group, you have all the tools that are available for the group. But once a specific group work on a project, there is no way for the rest of the class members just to comment on the group work. Like, let's say I'm a student from different group, I won't be able to comment on your group.
I understand what you're saying. Yes, and yes, at this moment, Blackboard doesn't allow you to do that.
Yeah, so the only way we went around this, what we did, we create a discussion area. We call it like wiki comments for the rest of the students that to comment to go and just they can view it, but they cannot actually make any comment on other group work.
Right. Thank you very much, Ethan. That's a really good point that you brought in, and very, very interesting.
No, thank you. Very nice.